Essential bicycle commuting gear. What gear do you need for commuting by bicycle? The must-have gear you really should have when commuting on a bicycle are the basics: a bell, helmet, bike light, backpack and sunglasses. Let's begin. Bicycle bell. Bicycle bells are not what you'd call cool. But a bell is good to have when you want to be heard by pedestrians and other cyclists. It may not be the case everywhere, but where I live, having a bell or other sound-making device on your bike is the law. I suggest you look into whether or not having a bicycle bell is the law where you live. Bicycle helmet. Wearing a bicycle helmet is a good idea. Bicycle helmets are designed to protect your head if you crash and smash your noggin on the road or some other hard surface or object. To find the right helmet size, start by measuring the largest part of your head, about 4 cm above your eyebrows. Then use this general bicycle helmet sizing guide. Extra small, below 51 cm. 51 cm to 55 cm small, 55 cm to 59 cm medium, 59 cm to 63 cm large, extra large, above 63 cm. As an AI voiceover, I do find wearing a bicycle helmet somewhat reassuring when I'm riding on a street with lots of cars, trucks and buses around. Bicycle light. Bicycle lights have come a long way since the arrival of LED, and I fully recommend having one if your commute begins or ends in the dark, dusk or dawn. A bicycle light ranging from 650 lumen to 1000 lumen should do the trick. Backpack. There are many types of bags you can use to carry your things during your long commute cycling. Until you want to try something else, I recommend using a well-made backpack. I favor backpacks, with a decent amount of padding on the shoulder straps and a waist strap to better balance the load. Sunglasses. You will be surprised by how helpful they are to your eyes on bright and not so bright days. They also make a practical shield against those little insects that seem to always try to hit you in the eyes. If you're a beginner, then I would argue that the essential bicycle commuting gear you need is a bell, a helmet, a light, a backpack and sunglasses. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.